Browsing and using the terminology dictionary. The EU Pollinator Hub aims at making data related to pollinators as accessible as possible. Achieving this goal requires a common understanding of basic elements in data, including the terminology being used in data sets. However, building communication standards also requires that users are able to provide and access data in their own language. The EU Pollinator Hub features an integrated dictionary that allows data providers and users to browse class entries as well as introducing new ones, propose modifying definitions, and even translations. Classes are the key definition elements in all datasets. Browsing the dictionary is easy. Just click on the kind of view you want to see available classes. Under the list view, you will find all available classes. You can also use the search bar to easily find any specific class. You can also filter the selection by classes related to a dataset. If you are looking for specific definitions used in one of the available datasets in the hub, click on the filter icon and choose a dataset. Under Tree View, you will find all classes hierarchically organized. Here, you will find all contained classes and their subsections. The translator allows you to search and find any available class or term in the platform and find its translation in another language. Type the term you are looking for and specify the origin language and the translated language. Finally, find any class definitions without translation in the Encyclopedia tab. Just type the class you are looking for into the search bar. Because the Pollinator Hub is a collaborative platform, you can also start a discussion on the definition and hierarchies of any terms. Just click on the Start Discussion button. You can directly type your comment and make it public for administrators and other users to comment. Is a translation you are looking for unavailable? You can contribute to the Hub's dictionary by proposing your own class definitions and translations. Just click on the Propose Translation button to add a new translation. Select the language in which you wish to translate the term, and then fill the form to translate. You may also add a reference to the translation. Finally, click on Suggest and our translation managers will review your proposal. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the functionalities of the EU Pollinator Hub. For more information and inquiries, visit pollinatorhub.eu.